Children, let us go through part 1 of geography, map work, interpretation of topographical maps. Now first of all, let us define the topographical maps. What are they? Topographical map include the features that have both natural and man-made features. Alright, so whatever that is found to be in existence on the surface of the earth has its dimension over the grid map that is made on a scale. So that is what topography is. Let us move according to the syllabus. Part A, it says location features with the help of the 4-grid or the 6-grid reference. 4-grid or the 6-grid reference, let us now recognize the lines. The red color lines in the grid that you would see, the line that is running from north to south, that is the easting, and the line that is running from east to west, that is the line of the northing. Now the combination of both of these lines, this is what makes up the small square which is known as the grid. So whatever object that we have to find, that is from this grid reference. So 4-grid or the grid reference, that is one of the same things. Now the line of the eastings and the line of the northings, they are both numbered. So if it is 0-1 line that is running, so same at the top over here, it would be the 0-1. If it is here 0-2, then the same 0-2 at the top it would be here. So likewise for the line of the northing 11, this side, then this side also it would be 11. Alright, so it means that, say for example, if our object that is located over here and we have to find the grid reference of it, so what we are going to do, the line that is left to the object, that number we will take first, and it will always be quoted down as first, followed by the line that is just below the object. So these two numbers, they make up the grid reference. Now for the object X, what is the 4-grid reference of the object? Let us see. That is object X, line that is left, that is 0-2, and the line that is below, that is 1-1. So the 4-grid reference of object X is 0-2 and 1-1. So this is what the 4-grid reference is. But sometimes we have to be very exact with our location. We have to pinpoint. So for that we take 2 numbers extra. Alright, for the 6-grid reference. So it is what? 2 number of the easting, we leave a blank, 2 number of the northing, and then we leave a blank. We have to fill up these blank with 2 more digits. Alright, so in totality it would be 6 digits and it will be known as the 6-grid reference. Now let us take one of the example. Say for example we have to find the 6-grid reference of spot height 1, 2, 3. So our object is what? Our object, it is the black color dot. Okay, so first of all we are going to find the 4-grid reference of it. The 4-grid reference of it, it would be 0, 2 and 1, 2. Okay, so we have written over here 0, 2 and 1, 2. Now all of this grid square we'll take the scale, and then we'll keep the scale over here 0, and then count down the number of the units, of how many units that we have crossed. Now say for example if it is 8 units that we have crossed, so 8 divided by 2, then it will be 4. Now even if it comes answer in 3.5, we'll convert it into the whole number. Then we'll keep the scale again over here 0, and then count down the number of the units over here. If we are coming across 6 units, we'll divide it by 2, and then we have the answer as 3. So the total 6-grid reference, it would be 0, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3. So this is how we take out the 6-grid reference.